New reports confirm some exciting news regarding the camera system of the iPhone 15 Ultra, which will feature numerous upgrades across the board. More confirmations have come from Mark Gurman, who claims that iOS 17 will permit the use of third-party apps on the iPhone 15 series. Because of the EU Digital Markets Act, Apple will now permit side-loading of third-party apps, releasing users from the confines of the company's App Store. However, according to Mark Gurman, this feature will only be available in Europe and won't be implemented elsewhere where it isn't necessary. Additionally, he now claims that Apple is unlikely to make the announcement at their annual developer conference and that, although the feature will be added, the company will likely downplay its significance and avoid discussing it altogether. Next, you may have seen images of the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro, but these are the first ever schematics of the priciest iPhone 15 Pro Max, which arrived from Shrimp Apple Pro. It has a display size of about 6.8 inches, no less chain or top or side bezel is visible, allowing for a pale-hold dynamic island, but with such a large screen, you will still have plenty of room to watch content. Moving on, Ice Universe has confirmed that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a periscope zoom camera, but the iPhone 15 Pro won't. Ming Chico has also confirmed in a report that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a periscope lens that offers an optical zoom of 5 to 6 times. This is a smart move because it will improve the quality of photos taken at other ranges like 10 times or even 12 times. We have confirmation from Ice Universe on Twitter that the primary camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a sensor that is almost 1 inch in size. His tweet also states that Apple will use the Sony IMX903, which has a sensor that is 1.5 inches in size. As you can see from his tweet, the sensor size has been increasing year by year. Apple finally made the switch from a 12-megapixel main camera to a 48-megapixel one on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max last year. That trend now appears to be continuing this year with a new leak now claiming Apple will also equip the iPhone 15 Pro models with 48-megapixel shooters, with a Pro Max receiving an even bigger sensor. Despite not having hundreds of megapixels, the main sensor of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's main camera may be the most advanced on the market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.